Question number 6. What is the production possibilities frontier? What is the purpose of this model in the real world? How is efficiency shown on the production possibilities frontier? And what would cause the production possibilities frontier to shift outwards? So the PPF is a curve that illustrates the amount of two goods that can be produced in an economy given the finite resources available. Practically, this curve shows a typical firm in the economy faces trade-offs when producing two goods using the same resources. The model further shows the quantity of production of two different commodities that a typical firm can attain and those it cannot. Intuitively, the purpose of this model in the real world is to compare what kind of possible outcomes, to compare the outcomes possible, what kind of outcome is possible, and compare with other countries to see who is more effective in producing some results. PPF is a bold outward curve. So let's draw what it looks like. Basically, it just looks like this. This would be good A, and this would be good B. PPF is a bold outward curve, and inside the curve are feasible, while the points on the curve are efficient, since they show efficient use of inputs and production. And an increase in production of two types of goods in the economy, perhaps due to an improved technology or additional labor, will shift the PPF curve outward. So if there's additional labor or improved technology, it could make the PPF curve look something like this. So it's shifting outward. So does that answer all the questions being asked? So we know the definition of the production possibilities frontier, purpose of it in the real world. Efficiency is shown in the PPF. So let's just say this is the original one. So we know this is good A, this is good B. Your efficiency is only shown on this curve when the point is on the actual curve. If you're producing a combination of both goods here, then you're not being efficient, because you could either produce more of good A or produce more of good B or produce more of both. And efficiency is being able to use all the resources available to you, and once you use all the resources available to you, your production should be somewhere on this curve. And obviously you can't produce out here because it's not attainable. And what would cause the PPF curve to shift outward? So like our tutor said, increase the production of two types of goods in the economy, perhaps due to improved technology or additional labor, which shift the production possibility frontier outward. So if you receive more labor and are able to produce more goods, that it will cause a shift outward, meaning what was previously unattainable over here becomes attainable. And again, if technology improves for the better of the two goods, again, you could see a shift outward. And it would make some points that were unattainable in the past become more attainable, because they shift from this specific point over here, or any point on this curve, to a point on this one. So this is correct. Great explanation.